Hello everyone. In this video, let me show you an example of switch activity which uses in UiPath. For this, let me create a project and name it as switch condition. And also provide description. Then click on create. Open main workflow. Now search for an activity called sequence. Drag and drop in designer panel and search for another activity called assign. Drag and drop it in sequence. Then search for switch activity. Now we have to create a variable and assign a number to that variable. Now let me create a variable and name it as number. Let me assign a value, say 1. So we have to provide that variable name in the expression. Now let me create some cases. At case 1, search for activity called message box and drag and drop it here. Let me write number you entered is 1. And create one more case, set to drag and drop message box, write number that you entered is 2. So this is very easy example of switch condition. You can easily understand. Let me create one more case. Say case 5 and drag and drop message box activity and write number that you entered is 5. So we got some errors. Those are because we have to change variable type from string to int. So let me save and run this program. Now we can expect the outcome, that is 1, because we assigned number 1 to the variable number. So let me change and run this program. So the number you have entered is 4. Let me change to 3. So we will get this number outcome. So let me run this program. See, number you have entered is 3. In some scenarios, you have to give user input. For this, let me show you with another example. Let me delete this assign activity and search for activity called input dialog. drag and drop in the sequence. At title, just enter switch, and in the label field enter any number between 1 to 5 because we have created 5 cases in this program. Now we have to create a output variable for this activity. Variable name should be different for the entire program. We got error because the variable name number we have already used in the previous example. So I am just changing this variable name with a small letter s, number to numbers. And also change its variable type string to int. At expression field, we have to provide variable name, numbers. Whatever we give the input will go and store in numbers and execute that case. Now I am going to delete this unused variable which we have used in previous example. Delete. Let me save and run this program. So I am giving input 3. So number you have entered is 3. Okay. Once again, let me run this program. Now I am giving input 1. You can expect output number you have entered is 1. Okay. So this is a simple switch condition example.